Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the Time Machine disk is online and mounted. This prevents errors during file transfer. Once done, restart into Mac OS Recovery, Command-R for Intel, hold the power button on Apple Silicon, and choose Restore from Time Machine Backup. You must pick the correct backup set and target disk. Selecting the wrong volume overwrites data. Follow on-screen prompts to authenticate and confirm the restore source, because recovery performs a disk-level copy and needs explicit approval before proceeding. You now choose the specific snapshot to restore. Pick the most appropriate date and time, since Time Machine stores incremental states. If the target drive needs wiping, open Disk Utility from Recovery and reformat to Apps for modern Mac OS. This ensures compatibility and avoids failed restores. Once formatted, return to the Restore Assistant, select the backup, and confirm which volumes to recreate. Make sure your account credentials are available, because the process may require unlocking encrypted backups or adjusting file permissions. You finish by letting the restore run to completion. Time Machine will copy volumes and then reboot into the restored Mac OS. After restart, you must inspect critical apps, preferences, and documents to confirm everything returned correctly, and run Disk Utility First Aid if you notice file system issues. If something went wrong, try restoring an earlier snapshot, reformat the target disk cleanly, or use Migration Assistant from Recovery as a fallback. The most common fix is selecting a different backup or ensuring the drive is healthy before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.